Ratio and proportion practice set question number 4. You can pause this video and try attempting the question by yourself. Write the answer in the comment box with what do you feel about the level of difficulty for this question. The question says the number of employees in a company here is a prime number. The number of employees is a prime number and less than a number 300. That's fine. The ratio of numbers of the employees who are graduate and above to that of employees who are not. Not means not graduate. So they are dividing the number of employees into two parts. The category 1 and category 2. The one which are graduate and above qualification wise, and the other one who are not graduate. Fine. The ratio is possible to be. We need to check in the options. So more than the concept of ratio, here we need to apply the concept of prime number. Yeah, we just need to check which ratio, sum of which numbers of this. E1 is to E2. Yeah, type 1 and type 2 employees. Some of them will get you equal to, some of them will get you what? Total number of employees, and this total number of employees should be a prime number. So what is important here? To understand what are prime numbers. So let's see prime numbers. Prime number and composite number. Prime number which are having exactly two factors. Two factors means two divisors. They are divisible by exactly two numbers. Which are they? 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yes, you heard it right. 1 is not a prime number. So the smallest prime number is 2. The only even prime number is what? 2. Composite number. The composite number has more than two factors like 4, 6, 25, 21, which are divisible by number more than 2. The number other than 1 and itself also. That's composite number. How do you check whether a number is a prime or not? You see, every prime number is in form of 6n plus minus 1. What does it mean? This is test 1. What does it mean? If you divide the number, let's say the number is p, divide by 6, the number should leave either remainder 1 or remainder 5. Keep in mind. Yeah, that's test 1. Take the number, divide by 6, see the remainder whether it is 1 or 5. If yes, then you check the test 2. Test 2 is take the approximate root of p. The number p is what? The number for which we are checking whether the number is prime or not. Then what do? We take the approximate square root of this and then see if p is not divisible by any prime number less than root of p, then p is a prime number. Yeah. So in a nutshell, a number p, apply test 1 if you want to see whether this is a prime number or composite. Your test 1 is what? This. Test 1. Apply this. If it fails, then it's not a prime number. If it passes, you didn't get the conclusion. You didn't come on the conclusion yet. Then you apply test 2 and check. If it passes test 2 also, then only we can say it's a prime number. Okay. If it fails, not a prime number. Right? Test 1 and test 2 should be clear to you. So I hope you understood prime number and composite number. Now let's see how do we apply that prime number, test 1, test 2 concept in these options. So as I said, it is more than being a concept of ratio. This question is based on concept of a prime number. So if I try for option number A, option number A is 101 is to 88. So if you check the sum of both, 101 plus 88 will get you what? 189. Now, is 189 a prime number? Prime number is not divisible by prime, or rather prime number is divisible by only 1 in itself. It should not be divisible by any other number. If it is divisible by any other number, then what is it called? Composite number, right? So you can see this number is divisible by 3. Yeah, 3 6 are 18 and 3 3s are 9. So this is divisible by 3. We don't actually have to apply test 1, test 2. We can directly see this here. So is this the answer? No, that's not the answer. Let's see second option, option number B. What do we have? 87 and 100. So we got 187. Alright, we can't see that, we will not be able to figure out immediately that this number is divisible by which number. Yeah. So what do we do in that case? Let me apply test 1 and test 2 there. So let's see test 1. Test 1 here. Test 1 is what? You divide this number by 6 and see whether this leaves remainder 1 or 5. Yes, if you divide 187 by 6, what do you get? 3s are 18, 7, 6 1s are 6, remainder 1. Yes, it passed the test 1. It passed the test 1. Yeah, it passed the test 1. Yes, test 1 is pass. Now apply test 2. What is test 2? We see approximate root of 187. Approximate root of 187. Tell me which is the approximate root of 187. You see 13 square. 13 square is 169. I hope you have done the homework. I have given you this homework in the first lecture itself, that learn tables till 20, squares till 25 and cubes till 10. Very important. And 14 square is 196. This is more. Yeah. So approximately I can say it will be 13 point something. Take the integer value 13. Yeah. Now I will check with all the prime number. I'll take this 187 and I will check with all the prime numbers which are less than equal to 13 and try dividing 187 by them. For example, I got 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are the prime number. I should check only them. Yeah, we don't have to go more than that. If it is not divisible by either one of them, then we can say test 2 is also passed. So let's see what's happening here. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, let me take it down a little bit. Okay, so is it divisible by 2? Of course it's not. Yeah, it's an odd number, not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Check. Not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 5? Definitely not. 17, 2s are 14 and then we got 4, so 47 is not in table of 7. 11, is it divisible by 11? Yeah, you can see 11 ones are 11 and then you got 7 here and 11 sevens are 77. So yes, it is divisible by 11. So is it a prime number? No, it is divisible by 11. So test 2 is failed. Did you understand this? If yes, then you can understand this is failed. So it's not a prime number. Not a prime number. Not the answer. Check the next one. 110 plus 111. 110, option number C. And 110 plus 111. Yeah. So 221. You need to try the same thing here. Yeah, I have explained you test 1, test 2, how to apply. Yeah, so if you see this you will get divisible by, you will get divisible by 13. This number is divisible by 13. So again, it's not a prime number, not the answer. Then next is 85 plus 98. Option number D is 85 plus 98. What is the sum of both? That's 13, 3, 9, 183. 183, clearly seen, it's divisible by 3. You can clearly see it is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3. So, not a prime number. Not a prime number. That means the only option which you have is what? Option number E. Yeah, that should be the answer. But still, let's check. Let's try understanding whether it's a prime number or not by showing you the both test. So here option number E is 97 is to 84. 97 is to 84. 97 is to 84. 97 plus 84, this is 181. Now test 1, if you apply test 1 here, test 1, which is 181 divided by 6, what is the remainder? 3s are 18. Yes, remainder is 1. Yeah, pass test 1 because the remainder should be either 1 or 5. So yes, pass. Yeah. Next, test 2. Test 2 is take approximate root of 181. Approximate root, again it will be 13. So let's check with the prime numbers. Let's see whether 181 is divisible by any one of the prime number which is less than equal to 13. So again you have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Is it divisible by 2? No, it's not an even number. Is it divisible by 3? No. 5? No. 7 2s are 14, and then you get what? 41 here. So 41 is not in table of 7. So that's no. Then 11 ones are 11. You get 7 here. So 71. Is 71 in table of 11? No. So that's also not. Okay. Try dividing it by 13. 13 ones are 13. What you get here? 6. 61. Is it divisible by 13? Is 61 in table of 13? No. So it is not divisible by 13 also. Yes. So if it is not divisible by all these, then we say this is also pass. Test 2 is also pass. So we can say 181 is a prime number. Okay. Fine. So this is a prime number. So we got the answer. Fine. What is the level of difficulty will you give it to this question? Can we give level of difficulty to? Yeah, because we need to understand that we need to apply we have ratio, but we need to apply the concept of prime number, and you should know what is the concept of prime number. Test 1, test 2. Yes. So level of difficulty 2. Let's see next question.